In this video, I'm going to show you how to find profitable whale wallets to potentially copy trade. Before we get started, head on over to tokenspy.org and click this button on the website and click here to add this Chrome extension and get started. After you have the extension installed, what you're going to want to do is come over to Dex Screener. And what we're looking for here are tokens that have a lot of volume. So let's click this one, GAT, and this is a good one to look through here. When you're on the token, you'll notice in the bottom right, there's this little icon right here. Keep in mind, because later I'll be explaining why this is important. But for now, what we want to click is the top traders tab. And what we're looking for specifically are wallets that have made one purchase, right? So literally one transaction. They bought a small dollar amount, like $1,000 to $2,000 worth, and walked away with a huge profit. So this one right here is potentially a good one. We could see they bought $1,500 worth. They sold $85,000 worth of profit. That's great. One transaction, right? Because we don't want someone who consistently buys many different times. We just want someone who made a good initial first bet and sold and made a ton of profit. So if we scroll over to the right here, click this, it's going to open it up in SolScan. And now what we can do is we can click here to copy that wallet address. Head on over to gmgn.ai, pull this up, and now with gmgn, if you're not signed up yet, you're going to click this over here in the top right. There should be a button to sign in, either with Telegram or your crypto wallet. After you've signed up or you're already signed in, we want to go up here into the search and we want to paste in that wallet address that we just copied from SolScan. And you can see here, this wallet is absolutely crushing it. One that I'm probably going to be adding to my follow list as well. And in order to do that, you'll literally just come over here and you'll click follow. Now that we've followed them, anytime they buy or sell or anything, that's going to happen here. We're going to be notified immediately. And we'll even hear a little ding noise and everything. You can have it set up to send an alert to Telegram as well. So this is awesome. You can see immediately after this wallet buys or sells. You get a notification, you come in here. Okay, right? Let's say that we got a notification that they bought right here, the new holder of VOC. Okay, we click here to copy that token's contract address. And then we'd come back over here and we would search for it on Dex Screener. Pull it up. Here it is. Immediately after this, you would click this button down here to search this on TokenSpy. After it fully loads, we would be able to check and see, okay, this is likely a scam. It has a horrible rating here, and you don't want to buy this, right? 9 out of 99. Top holder has 99.81% of the tokens. Top 4 holders have 100%. This is a no-go. We do not want to buy this token, right? And so we're not interested in it. We don't mess with this token. Next time we get a notification, as soon as it pops up, click to copy the contract address right here. And we would then come back on over to Dex Screener again. Let's search it up. Boom, here we go. And we're going to click this button again to open it up on TokenSpy. And this is actually looking much better. So the top holder only has 10% of the tokens. We can see a breakdown here as well. Risk analysis, 84 to 99. This seems like a decent buy. If I was interested in this, I'd probably do a little bit more research really quickly. But we can immediately see like, okay, this doesn't seem like a scam. This seems like a decent distribution. The top holder can't really dump a whole bunch of tokens on us. And then I would potentially buy it. So that's how you can copy them. So this is exactly how it works. Pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions.